Hello students. Today we will learn about human respiratory system. In this video we will see the location of lungs and then we will see what is breathing, what is the difference between breathing and respiration and how does respiration take place in human beings. So let's start. In the thorax region, the rib cage and the diaphragm are observed, which play a vital role in respiration. Lungs are present within the rib cage under pleural membrane, which encloses the lungs. The right lung consists of 3 lobes, whereas left lung has only 2 lobes. All human beings breathe in oxygen and it helps to break down the food absorbed by the body. That is how food gives energy to work and play. We inhale oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide. The breathing in and breathing out is done by the respiratory system. Are breathing and respiration the same? What exactly the difference between breathing and respiration is? These both are absolutely different from each other. Can you answer from where we get energy? Most of us will answer from the food we eat, but this is partially correct answer. The food we eat is a source of energy, which means energy is stored or locked inside the food. In order to unlock or derive the energy from food, the food need to be broken down and it requires oxygen. So we can say that the process in which food is broken down in the cells with the help of oxygen to release energy is called respiration. And how is it different from breathing then? Breathing does not involve breakdown of food molecules inside the cells. In fact, breathing is purely exchange of gases. So the activity of inhalation and exhalation is breathing, whereas deriving energy from food molecules with the help of oxygen is called respiration. Does this mean breathing is a part of respiration? Yes, breathing is a part of respiration. Now we will see what are the different components of human respiratory system. It starts with nose and then nasal cavity. The pharynx is here. The pharynx is considered as a part of digestive system as well as respiratory system. Then it is connected to larynx. Larynx is also known as voice box because vocal cord is located here. Larynx leads to trachea or windpipe and this trachea is connected to bronchi. And these bronchi are further divided into smaller tubes. These are called as bronchioles. And these bronchioles are connected to tiny air sacs called alveoli. Now we will see what actually happens during breathing process. The canchi are structures made up of bones inside our nose. They help to trap the dust particles from air. Air then passes to pharynx, larynx and then to trachea. Here in this picture you can see a flap-like structure which is known as epiglottis. During breathing it allows air to enter trachea. But during swallowing of food it folds down to prevent food from going into windpipe. So we can say that this flap-like structure epiglottis plays very important role in our body. Let's come back to air. Then air will go into bronchi and then bronchioles and finally into the alveoli, which are surrounded by a network of capillaries. Here the magic occurs. Oxygen enters in alveoli and gaseous exchange occurs. Capillaries give up the waste carbon dioxide and pick up oxygen. Carbon dioxide is then exhaled through the nose. And oxidation of food takes place inside the cells. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.